All right, everybody. Math is always more fun when I'm sitting out in my backyard. So here's the deal. Okay, everybody. I promised you that since the face-to-face classes are on hold for a while, that I would make videos. So here is the very first video, and this is going to be to help you review for your logic test in Math 1106, our 1106 class. And here's the first question. And by the way, there are two samples in your booklet. I'm going to be going over sample 2. Now, if you want to go over sample 1 on your own, that's fine. It's an extra practice. And you know the answer key is online, so you can always look to make sure you did it right. But I would focus on this one, okay? After you've done all your homework, this is a good review to do. So here's the question, okay? This is on page 63 of your study guide. For the following, which is the negation of the given statement? And the statement says, if the bird is blue, then the lizard is brown. Now, what we need to remember is that is in the symbolic form, P implies Q. If P, then Q. Okay, so the if then lets us know this is the correct form. Now, what we're trying to do is to negate it. So if you look on your little cheat sheet or your memory sheet, whatever you want to say, I want you to find the option that says the negation of the conditional. And I think what you'll find is the negation of the conditional, okay, the tilde, the negation of the conditional is logically equivalent to P and not Q. So this is the pattern that we need to follow. To negate the conditional, we turn it into, and these three things being logically equivalent to, we turn it into the statement P and not Q. This statement, which is our answer pattern that we're following, does not have the words, or it will not have the words if then in it. So you just start with P, which would be what? The bird is blue. You start with the bird is blue. We know that this is an and, so we put and. And now our pattern tells us to take the negation of Q. Q is the statement, the lizard is brown. So the negation would be the lizard is not brown. So, to negate a conditional, we look on our cheat sheet. The negation of the conditional says this is equivalent to, or P and not Q. Okay? That's how you negate a conditional. So the correct answer would be the bird is blue and the lizard is not brown. Let's find that. The bird is blue. The bird, let's find it. Here we go. The bird is blue and the lizard is not brown. So that would be choice C.